Okay, so first there. With the thread?
Yeah. And push and open.
Open.
Okay? When the machine work, the machine stop.
Okay.
Just to do the bobbin winders, right?
Okay.
So when you fill it up, you push, take the bobbin and close, go back the machine.
And now, is there something supposed to be underneath here?
Yeah, the bobbin case.
Okay, so you put a little thing in there.
Where it's like this. Like this, like this. Leave it out, like this. And put it here. Put in the holes, eh?
Okay. And then,
And then you work.
how do you turn it on?
You have to put this.
Okay.
And let me try.
Yeah. Because this string is supposed to come from underneath there, right?
Yes. Okay, go over there.
Little pause. Okay. We're going to see how this works. Because you need a string from the bottom and one from the top.
Yeah. And this, you put it up. When you block this, come here like this. This.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And turn it on there.
Sure.
Okay.
So now you put it, okay, finish here. Or you want to do it, you want to see how the machine work, right?
Yeah.
We start again.
Okay.
Because this is too big. When I put it small, because this is too big.